If you have water dripping inside your car, like on your floor mats, or if you hear a water sloshing sound, chances are your AC drain line might be plugged up. So if it's summertime, you got your AC on, you should see some water underneath your car. If you don't, it's probably going to come inside your car. And that AC drain tube gets clogged up with insects and road debris. I'm going to show you how to unclog it. Now this happens to be a 2013 Chrysler 200. Now, all cars are going to have that drain tube if they have air conditioning. And all cars are subject to that getting clogged up. But I'm going to show you exactly where it is on this car, show you how to clean it out. All right, so I put a tape measure just off center of the car towards the driver's side. So if you go center of the car, go over about 12 inches. From the front bumper looking straight down, you're going to be 48 inches back. So we got the front of the car, tape measure going down, 48 inches from the bumper. So here's the driver's side. I've got it on car ramps. It's probably easiest just to go underneath right here instead of sliding underneath from the front. All right, so right there in front of my index finger is that little black drain tube. So right there is the exhaust. If you go about 6 inches over, you'll see this kind of rubber boot right here. Looks like it's falling apart. And right there is the AC drain tube. All we need to do is shoot some air up in there. Nozzle like this, it's got a bend on it with a rubber adapter. You could stick it right in that hose and give a couple shots of air and it should start draining water. And that's all you need to do. Finding that little black drain tube is probably the hardest part. All you gotta do is shoot a couple blasts of air up in there, and you usually wanna do that a couple times. I cleaned this out about 3 times before I recorded the video, and you'll see like some dirt and debris come out of there. And like I said, insects will crawl up in there, and it just gets clogged up. That's all there is to it. Blow it out, you get your car back on the road. Hope this video helps you out in finding the tube and fixing your problem. Thanks for watching.